Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Vesta 67's workshop. Welcome to issue 32 of Build the Iconic Ford Falcon XB GT from our good old friends over at Hachette. Now, you would like to grab this 1/8 scale V8 Interceptor from the Mad Max movies. Let's be honest, what it is. Head over to the Hachette website. There's a clickable link below in the description. Pop, and you too can be building one of these on your bench, folks. So let's have a scoot through this week's magazine and see what we got for you. We're doing the rear right wheel, and we're putting in the inner wheel arch, like so. We've got some DS02 screws to be putting that on with. We'll need our front and rear brake plates from the previous issue, so grab them, folks, as well. We'll then be dropping them in place, and then we'll be grabbing one of the rear wheels from issue 30. It's the wider of the two wheels that we've already built, and that will be going in place with a DS12 screw. And then you can pop the hubcap in at the very end as well, and then I'll be popping mine straight back off and keeping them safe until the model is built, folks, okay? And then it's saying there, line the wheel arch up, screw that into place once the wheel is in situ. So that's what we're going to be doing. And this is what you're going to end up with on your bench, just like me, at the end of this issue. Okay, folks? So we'll grab all of our bits and bobs. We'll get them all ready in a second. And then you've got the second generation there, 64 to 65, as the Falcon spreads its wings, folks. And then next issue, we're going to have a leaf spring, and we'll be doing the same on the other side of the car, folks, okay? So let's grab all of our bits and pieces. There's the rear wheel that we've been working on. And we've also got the hub to be going on as well, okay? So let's grab our chassis. Let's grab this screw and get that ready to go. Well, what bit of oil on that? Think like so. And then we can grab our chassis. So let's get that in place, just like that. We can now grab our halves of the brake assembly like so. They go into place just like so, and close off that. You then got a little Woodruff key there that I'm keeping at 12 midnight, and that marries up with this one here that you can see in the rear wheel. Okay, we'll have that at midnight as well, and then put that on the rear axle. We can then grab our screw, just like so, and screw that fully home. Just like so. I like the wheels to turn rather with a resistance fit for now. And then your hubcap will go in the centre of it, just like that, and magnetise in place. Doesn't that look beautiful? Yes, Vesta does. So I'm going to pop that out whilst I'm working on the car, because I don't want to drop it. Fully home that screw now. And then we can start with the wheel arch. I'm going to turn the model around, grab our wheel arch like so, and then we can line that up with the relevant areas. Grab a screw, pop a bit of oil on, like so. And then we're going in just at the front there. Let's turn that round. There you go. Grab the next screw. Pop that in there. Do the rear side. And then the final screw. Just there. And that will go in the middle, just on that one. Okay. And that is that section done. So that's what we're going to end up with today. A complete rear wheel with the wheel arch in place, folks, okay? Sitting on the back of our Ford Falcons. And I think straight away that's beginning to take shape. Big old fat tyre on the back end there, looking rather sexy for all to see. So, don't forget, folks, if you want to grab one of these for yourself and build one of these along with me, head over to the Hachette website. There's a clickable link in the description below. Pop. And you too can be building one of these iconic V8 Interceptors on your bench. Also, to help me out, you can just give little Fester a click in the corner and subscribe to the channel. Helps me grow the channel and keep it alive. Ring the bell whilst you're there. Select all. That way you'll get notified of upcoming future content. Thanks so much for coming in and keeping me company. And I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Stay safe and well. Bye-bye for now.